this video, we are going to understand implementation of C++ program to find Fibonacci series. The Fibonacci sequence is a series where the next term is the sum of previous two terms. The first two terms of Fibonacci series 0 followed by 1. First 10 terms of Fibonacci series are 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21 and 34. So as we have checked here, the Fibonacci sequence is a series where the next term is the sum of previous two terms. So first two terms are 0 and 1, and third term is the addition of previous and first and second term. So it's 1, then 1 plus 1 2, then 1 plus 2 3, then 2 plus 3 5, then 5 plus 3 8, then 5 plus 8 13, then 13 plus 8 21, then 13 plus 21 34. So let's implement C++ program to find that Fibonacci series. Okay, so let's include libraries. Hash include IOStream using namespace standard. Let's write main function int main and return 0. Use the semicolon here. So we need to define some variables like integer n to get the terms. Then let's define term 1 as 0, because as we have mentioned, sequence starts from 0 to 1. So t1 will be 0, that is term 1, and term 2 will be 1. Okay, now let's define next term variable, and let's take it as 0. Now let's print message by using cout. Enter the number of terms, enter the number of terms, use the semicolon here. Let's use cin method to store the number of terms into n. Okay, now let's use for loop where int I will be starts from 1, and I will be less than or equal to the n, because we need to find the Fibonacci series till the n number. Okay, then we will increase the I. Okay, so in the for loop we will check first condition. If I is equal to 1, then cout t1. Okay, and give some space here, because first term of the Fibonacci series will be 0, and we have already stored 0 into the t1, so we will be printing t1, and then we will continue. We will use continue keyword here, because when we will print the first term, we will go into loop again. Okay, so and in second condition we will check if I is equal to 2. Then let's copy this and paste it here. So here we are going to print t2, because second term of Fibonacci series is 1, and we have stored it in t2. Okay, and we will continue after printing the second term of Fibonacci series. And so here we will start the main program where we will be doing the addition of previous and this term. Okay, and so for that let's define next term. On next term, we are using, okay, next term is equal to t1 plus t2. Okay, as we said in the definition, we need to add the uh, previous two terms. So we are going to add the t1 and t2 to find the next term. So okay, so after that we will assign t1. So we will assign t2 into the t1, and in the t2 we will assign next term. Okay, so in the next iteration, t1 will t2 will become t1, and t2 will become the next term, as we need to traverse till end of the Fibonacci series. Okay, so yeah, after that we need to print the next term. So let's use cout method here, cout, and let's print next term here, next term. Okay, give some space. Yeah, we will use cout and enter there, it will look better. So this is the implementation of C++ program to find a Fibonacci series. So let's run the program and check if it's working well. Click on local Windows debugger. Program is running successfully, and there are no compilation error. So enter the number of terms. So let's enter 10. Okay, and we found the Fibonacci series. So let's check with our example. We have series like 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, and 34, and we got the same result. Okay, so if you like this video, you can subscribe to the Programming Minds YouTube channel. Thank you.